Hey guys, Technomentary here today with the unboxing and review of the popular personal size blender, the Magic Bullet. So if you guys ever are looking for a personal size blender, I would recommend this one, as this one is pretty cool because it does a lot of stuff and it's pretty small and lightweight. Let's go ahead and check like what it can do. As you can see, there's about 6 things that it can do. It can chop, mix, blend, whip, grind, and mince. If you look in the back, we'll also see kind of some of the things people usually make with this blender. If you're looking to make it with this blender, you can see they're making hummus here, grated cheese, ground coffee, salsa, cocktails, smoothies, of course, and guacamole, and then pesto sauce or any kind of sauce if you're looking to make. So about 8 things they kind of say that you can make, but you can of course make anything else that you're looking to blend. So this one comes with it's a 7-piece set. As you can see, there's a high torque power base, one tall cup, one short cup, and then stainless steel cross blade, one stay press, resealable lid, and then one lip ring. So here we have the box. If you guys are looking to buy it, I'll leave the link to the discounted magic bullet that you can find on Amazon, so check that out. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. So right now you can see it comes inside of it is a cardboard looking thing, and then we have here the instruction manual and then the warranty stuff. If you're interested in that, you can read that later. And I'll go ahead and take it out of its packaging. So we have it here. We'll put the package on the side while I open it for you guys. So here in the box, we'll see what we have. So the first thing we have here is the kind of the base of the blender, power stuff. You can see Magic Bullet. Then we put that to the side, and then we have the large cup to actually put the stuff in to mix. And then this is the blade that's also the lid to kind of do the blending. And then you can see we have a short cup as well. And yeah, so that's about it for it. And now let's kind of take a look at the individual pieces. Like you mentioned, do be very careful. This is a very sharp blade, so you don't want to ever touch that or with your finger or anything. You don't want to cut yourself. So leave that aside. And then here is the tall cup, and it does come with the resealable lid as they advertise. So I'll show you guys how you would go blend it. And then the small cup, of course. Look at that one as well. And then finally the actual blender itself. So about this looks pretty good. These are pretty durable glass. Plastic ones, but usually, so if you're looking to make this anything, all you have to do is take the tall cup, take your lid, and just twist it till it's nice and tight, and then you would just put it line it up with these 3 different holes, and then just press it in and twist. That will kick off the blender. Press and twist. It'll kick off the blender and start blending for you. Usually like within 10 seconds most stuff can be done. So thanks for watching, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And if you guys are looking to buy this Magic Bullet blender, check out the link in the description.